We will see how you can create style guides or rule sets in APIwiz. If you have existing rules, we'll see how you can import it. And if you are starting from scratch, we'll show how you can leverage existing templates to create rules faster. Lastly, we will create our first rule inside a rule set from scratch and enforce it. Access API linting in the left hand side menu. On the left hand side, you have rule set, which are your API style guides. These are primarily of two types. One is the global rule set. These are the rule sets that get applied across your APIs, and custom rule sets are rule sets which have specific scope, which means it can be applied to few specific number of OpenAPI specification. By default, overview is selected, which means on the right hand side you'll be able to see all the statistics related to the recent runs. You can choose and filter it out based on your choice, and for any given data you can click on that to see the list of errors that have occurred in that specific run. But in this video we are going to take a look at how you can create your first rule set. So to create your first rule set, go on to this panel and click on the plus icon, click on create a rule set. Here you are presented with two options. Either you can import a rule set or create a brand new rule set from scratch. If you have an existing set of rules, you can put your name, description here first. After that, you can select what type of group is it, and to import a rule set, either you can browse and upload your spectral rule set file, or you can select from list of templates provided here. To create a new rule set from scratch, you can click on this button and put the name and description here. If you want to make this new rule set that you're creating as global rule set, which means it gets applied to all the OpenAPI specifications by default. So if you want, you can click on this one and select it as a global rule set. You can also pick a category. I'm picking a general category here and click on save. So as we can see in this one, my new rule set that I have just created is populated. If you want to change the name of this one, you can click on this dot menu and click on edit. After that, you'll be presented with this area where you can rename your rule set. And if you want to delete it, you can do it from here as well.